Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate Review is one of the most searched topics for anyone who wants to become a backend developer. In this video, I'll explain what you get, who it's for, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. If you decide this program is right for you, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access this certificate and thousands of other career programs. The Meta Backend Developer Professional Certificate is designed for complete beginners. You don't need a degree or previous programming experience to get started. The program is self-paced and helps you build job-ready back-end development skills while learning from Meta experts. The certificate includes 9 courses covering Python, Django, SQL, MySQL, APIs, Git, GitHub, Linux, version control, databases, and coding interview preparation. You'll also complete hands-on projects and a capstone where you'll build a real Django web application. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its practical approach. You'll write Python code, build REST APIs, work with databases, manage projects using GitHub, and develop back-end applications from scratch. These are the exact skills employers expect from junior back-end developers. Another major benefit is the Meta credential. After completing the program, you'll earn an industry-recognized professional certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile and resume. The program also includes coding interview preparation to help you succeed in technical interviews. Now let's talk about value. Many learners buy programming courses individually, but that can become expensive if you plan to continue learning after the certificate. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Meta, Google, IBM, Microsoft, and leading universities. If you're planning to learn back-end development, Python, Django, SQL, APIs, or other in-demand software development skills, Coursera Plus gives you much better value than paying for courses individually. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.